So hello friends, again welcome back to the channel, and today I will discuss about the section 40 of Companies Act 2013. So today I will also discuss about the section 40 subsection 6 of Companies Act 2013. So this sections deals with the stock exchange to be dealt with the security, that is securities to be dealt within stock exchange and underwriting commission. First, every company making public offer, before making public offer, it is it will get a permission to one or more recognized stock exchange, and in prospectus must be clearly stated that the securities is dealt within stock exchange and name of the stock exchange. Second, third, the prospectus must be filed to the ROC of the securities dealt within stock exchange. And the section 40 subsection 6, that is underwriting commission, it is very important for exam point of view, so listen to me very carefully every points. So underwriting commission, that means, what is the means of underwriting commission? The underwriting commissions means the company and certain parties to make a certain contract to take up the securities which are not subscribed by the public. And in case of share capital, in case of having share capital of the company, the commission paid is 5% of issue of share price, or specified in article of association, whichever is lower the commission is paid. And in case of debenture, 2.5% of issue price or amount specified in article of association of the company, whichever is lower the commission is paid. So today this completed 4 sections, and watch my next sessions of this video. Thanks to all of you.